Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Holystone HS175D, and on the right, the Bwine F7GPS. Let's see which one will make you the king or queen of the skies. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the price. The Holystone HS175D is priced at a reasonable $229. A great deal, right? But wait, the Bwine F7GPS comes in at a whopping $501. That's right, folks, you could buy 2 Holystones and still have enough left over for a fancy dinner. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Holystone, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. Meanwhile, Bwine's higher price tag has some users questioning its value, but others believe the additional features justify the cost. Now, let's talk cameras. The Holystone HS175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini James Cameron in your backpack. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7GPS also offers 4K, but with a 3-axis gimbal and a 120 degrees FOV lens. Plus, it has a 5x digital zoom. Reviewers say Holystone's camera quality is impressive for its price, but Bwine's advanced stabilization and zoom features make it a top choice for serious videographers. Next, let's talk about flight time. Holystone gives you a solid 46 minutes with their 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does all the work. But Bwine steps up the game with 50 minutes of flight time. Users love the extended flight time on both drones, but Bwine's slight edge gives it a bit more appeal for longer adventures. Now, wind resistance. Holystone has got you covered with stable videos even in strong wind conditions. But Bwine takes it up a notch with level 6 wind resistance. It's like the Hulk of drones, strong, stable, and slightly terrifying. Reviewers praise Holystone's stability, but Bwine's superior wind resistance and low-noise motors are standout features for those flying in challenging conditions. Both drones come with GPS auto-return, so you won't lose your drone even if you lose your mind. But Bwine adds in some extra GPS-assisted features like Follow Me and waypoints. It's like having your very own drone butler. Holystone, on the other hand, offers fun features like tracing and following you flying in circles, and even taking selfies when you pose. Reviewers enjoy the convenience of Bwine's advanced GPS features, while Holystone's playful functionalities add a touch of fun to the flying experience. Holystone comes with a carrying case and is foldable, weighing under 250 grams. No FAA registration needed. Bwine, however, is FAA compliant, but doesn't mention anything about being foldable. So if you want to avoid paperwork and travel light, Holystone's got your back. Users find Holystone's portability a major plus, while Bwine's compliance with FAA regulations appeals to more serious drone enthusiasts. Finally, customer support. Bwine promises quick resolution of issues and even includes a bunch of extras like propeller blades, a carrying case, and more. Holystone doesn't make any grand claims here, but hey, sometimes no news is good news. Reviewers have highlighted Bwine's responsive customer service and the useful extras included, while Holystone's straightforward approach is appreciated by those who prefer simplicity. Overall, reviewers have praised the Holystone HS175D for its affordability, ease of use, and solid performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the Bwine F7GPS is lauded for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and robust construction, making it worth the higher price for those seeking a premium drone experience. Alright folks, it's decision time. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-carry, and fun drone, Holy Stone HS175D is your guy. But if you want all the bells and whistles and don't mind shelling out the extra cash, Bwine F7GPS might just be worth it. So which one are you picking? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart episode. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.